Hello, my name is Sriwidayati. Me and with my friend Ika Ramawati and Asa will represent our little research about effect of factor and subtraction concept recognition in early childhood. And our background is basically from our latest research about factor using for introduce number concept and is working very good, and then we curious to use this factor for introduce subtraction uh, to the children. And we know that uh, children at 5 until 6 years is consists of general knowledge and about science and mathematics, and this ability can be seen in the child ability to recognize the concept of number, count to a certain action and extents, and even recognize simple addition and subtraction. And then we want to know how much influence the tactor or spinning cell game has on the ability to recognize the concept of subtraction in children aged 5 until 6 years at Permata Kindergarten Waru. And then the method we're using is quantitative research. We use type of one group pretest and post-test experiment design, and then we use Kartini Kindergarten Genteng at Surabaya for validation and reliability, and then the research in the Permata Kindergarten Waru, and about the indicator subtraction we using three. And the first indicator is about getting to know the symbol for number 1 until 10, and the number 2 is the concept of addition with produce number 2 until 10, and then how the children knowing about the adding, and then the third is introducing the concept of subtraction which produce number 1 until 9. It means that example 10 minus 1 is so become the result is 9, and then the 2 minus 1 the result is 1, and the text is about around the result subtraction is until about around 1 until 9, and the result we find that pretest is 11, the mean is 10.75, and standard deviation is 1.66905, and the post test 53, the mean is 15.75, and standard deviation is 0.70711, and the table 2 is about pair sample test, and the result is the pretest is minus 5.0000, and the standard deviation is 1.66904, and the t minus 13.229, and df 7 signs to tell is 0.000, and based on the table above, the average value of the pretest and posttest is minus 5.0000. A negative value means that the data is not normally distributed, and at the significant level to tell the result is 0.000, which means the significant level to tell is lessly more than 0.05, and from this result it can be concluded that HA is accepted and H0 is rejected. Namely, the game of spinning cell or tactor can affect the ability to operate arithmetic subtraction 1 until 10 in the children at 5 until 6 years. And we found also that when children carry out APA playing activities such as the spinning cell game or tactor, the child does not count subtraction in wishful thinking but count using a real object or manipulative represents on the cell sheet, so that it makes it easier for children to understand activities calculated with the concept of subtraction. And the use of media dramatically influenced the understanding of concept, especially in number material. The use of learning media can raise children learning motivation, so that meaningful learning is created and understanding of the material obtained by children and the material conveyed by the teacher becomes more one-sided. And these are the picture of a tractor, and we see the here example, if the text is 10 minus 1, so the children put 10 seed on it, and then they take one of seed and put it in number 1, the cell, number 1 cell, and put it 1, and then the teacher asked the children to counting again how many seed that already know, and the result is 9. Okay, that's this our research. I hope this result can useful for everyone. Thank you very much, icei 2023, and I hope I can join again the next icei, and see you later, everybody. Thank you very much.